OCO. James Yonder Outdoors. Today I want to be making a Cherokee war arrow. Now what makes this a war arrow is this point right here. Notice it does not have a stem on it. It was glued in, but no hafting with sinew or any other fibers. It was made so when you shoot your enemy cannot pull the arrow out. They either had to leave it in or push it on through. If it hit bone, the point would shatter. On impact, the glue would shatter, as well as the arrowhead if it hit bone. The Cherokee used a 2 Fletch style, mainly from Turkey. They used the wings and the tail feathers. The arrow shaft, mostly made of river cane. They did use dogwood and I'm sure some other woods. The glue that was used is regular pine pitch glue. Cherokees aren't the only ones to use this. Most southeastern tribes did. Wow, there. I'm going to be using sinew for this. Skeeter's buzzing me somewhere. This is the most tedious part, getting it started. That's really just hardest part is always getting it started. And the other one is on the opposite side. Make sure you line them up. Alright. Now you spin your arrow and wind that stuff up. Now, sure they're how I want them. Now the other end. Also, when you put these on, the inside goes to the outside. It's basically backwards. Put those on there like that. I do this the easy way. Most people like to pull out a little part like that. That's too hard. You gotta have 3 hands to do that. It seems like it anyway. So, take this end. like that. And I always take, fix that to where it's exactly on top. Pull it tight. Now, what I do is take a tack and pull those back through, just like that. And that's the easy way. Now the shaft itself was representing you. Of course, you know every Cherokee had a bick. They didn't leave home without it. Don't know about other tribes. Just know about mine. And of course it's not hot enough. Yep. Seriously, I really don't know how Cherokee started their fire before contact, because most of that history was lost. You know, we didn't have a written language until Sequoia. So I'm not real sure how they started the fires, you know. Leave a comment. I don't know if it was hand drill, bow drill. I'm sure after contact they used flint and steel, just like the rest of them. I don't know. That's pretty much it. You know, there's no sinew holding the shaft on, because you want that glue to break so they can't pull the arrow out. I know that spot looks ugly. Be alright after it dries though. I don't want to cover this either, because there's bacteria and stuff living in that after I've chewed it. That'll cause infection. That's pretty much it. Not a lot to it. This will be the end of the video. Well done. And see y'all next time.